The OPPO F15 has finally made its way to India, and it's for those who are looking for a feature-rich mid-ranger. OPPO F15, which succeeds the F11, comes with a 48 megapixel AI quad camera setup, Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and of course an ultra-thin body at just 7.9 mm thickness. The F15's unboxing experience is nothing out of the ordinary. Inside the box, we have the device itself, a thick USB Type-C cable, a noticeably large wall adapter, set of headphones, a clear transparent case, a user guide, and the warranty materials. The inclusion of a case is a nice touch for people who do not want to spend more on accessories, and we are happy OPPO keeps doing this. Our F15 unit has a unicorn white paint job that is stunning. It has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of inbuilt storage under the hood. One of the major talking points is its ultra-thin lightweight body. Talking about the dimensions, it measures just 7.9 mm in thickness and weighs around 172 grams. The lightness is instantly noticeable in your hand, and its slim dimension means it can easily slide into your pockets without feeling bulky. The design of this device is equally as attractive as with more expensive models. The front of the OPPO F15 is dominated by a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that is crisp and vibrant. With a screen-to-body ratio of 90.7%, you can fully immerse yourself in an ultra-crisp gaming and entertainment experience. Notably, the display is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Inside the water drop notch, we have a 16 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture. It also has an in-display fingerprint scanner 3.0. As per the company claims, it enables users to unlock the device in 0.32 seconds, which is 45% faster than the previous generation. On the back, we have a quad camera setup with 14 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle macro lens, 2 megapixel mono lens, and a 2 megapixel portrait lens as well. In our brief testing, we found the pictures taken with the rear camera were generally likable and impressive. Talking about the placement, the F15 has a power button onto the right, volume rocker and a dedicated SIM slot and a microSD card slot onto the left. The bottom side has a 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C speaker grill, and the primary microphones. Under the hood, the OPPO F15 is armed with MediaTek Helio P70 processor with 8 gigs of RAM. The phone is fast. In our brief testing, we found that to be zero lag. The 128 gig storage can be expanded through a microSD card slot up to 256 gigs. The OPPO F15 is shipped with Android Pie under the ColorOS 6.1.2. Over the time, the ColorOS has grown so much since its debut and now includes various customization options. The phone features a 4000 mAh battery with a VOOC 3.0 fast charging support. This fast charging version gives you a 10% charge in just 5 minutes and 50% charge in just 30 minutes. The VOOC 3.0 charging system also focuses on the higher current instead of higher voltage, ensuring great safety. All said and done, the OPPO F15 comes in 2 colors, lightning black and unicorn white. So this is it guys for the unboxing. Do hit the like button, share and subscribe.